Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome back to Season Beauties. Our video on today, we will be unboxing our BoxyCharm Premium Box for the month of October. Now, I'm excited. I haven't shown you the box yet, but for a reason. I'm very excited about this box. This is one of the reasons why I agreed to the premium box anyway, because they talked about having collabs. Well, guess what? This month's box is a collab with Tarte. How about that? It says BoxyCharm times Tarte High-Performance. Now, for those of you who are not familiar with BoxyCharm or BoxyCharm Premium, I will leave all the details down below so that you can officially become acquainted. Okay, let's jump in and see what's in this collab. I'm excited. It's been a long time since this has happened. So the first thing we pull out is our description card, which still carries the same information, which says BoxyCharm times Tarte High-Performance Naturals. And it says Tarte is celebrating 20 plus years of female-founded cruelty-free formulas infused with good-for-you ingredients and kindness. Okay, now it also gives us a coupon code on the back. The first item that we have is Tarte C, and this is the Breezy Cream Blush. It says, get that just pinched color in your cheeks with this weightless waterproof cream blush. Just tap the silky formula on with your fingertips for a natural color that doesn't fade. It helps you achieve a fresh and youthful appearance by minimizing the look of pores and fine lines. The manufacturer's suggested retail price is $24. All right, so of course it's a cruelty-free product. Well, as it stands right now, I don't see an expiration date on the package, but let's see about the inside packaging. Now, let me also let you know that the shade that I have is called Peach Sunset. I'm liking that. I like the name, and I like what it looks like on the back of the package. Hopefully, it really does look like this. Now, it does say it has... Beautiful. It does have a 12-month shelf life. It comes with a mirror, okay? And this is what that blush looks like. I like it. I like it. Okay? I'm excited to try this blush. I just don't want to mess it up. It's beautiful. It looks so beautiful in the packaging. Okay, but we will. We'll go ahead and we'll put a little bit on. I'll grab a brush and we'll just tap a little bit and just put it on here. All right, it says you're supposed to tap it on with your hand, but I'm not putting it on my face. I'm actually putting it on my hand so you can see. All right, so this is what this blush looks like. You know, that does look rather fresh-faced. Okay. Ooh, nice. Good start, good start. That is item number 1. Okay, then the next item we have, I have these as well. It's been a long time since I received it. I'm glad to have gotten another one. This one is the Light Camera Lashes 4-in-1 Mascara. This best-selling mascara is like a push-up bra for your lashes. How about that? It volumizes, lengthens, and curls lashes for an instant eye lift while delivering 24-hour flake-free, smudge-proof wear. How about that? Okay? Plus, the vitamin-rich formula conditions and it does it with each coat. all while creating darker, more defined lashes. And the manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is also $24. Now, this is what the 360 Magna Lash Wand looks like, because you know we can't open it because the shelf life on mascara is not very long, and it didn't disappoint. It says the shelf life is 6 months. That's after you open it. All right. So then it says this is actually a 0.24 fluid ounce size. Now, let me tell you something. I'm going to open this and show it to you because I want you to see what the packaging looks like. How about that? Can you see that okay? It's really very attractive. Very, very attractive. Okay, so that is item number 2. And of course, it is in the shade black. All right, the next item we have is this one right here. And this is the Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost Moisturizer. All right, and it says, wake up to the cooling sensation of this vegan daily gel moisturizer. Powered by electrolytes, it deeply hydrates for a healthy, youthful glow while helping soften and plump the skin's appearance. Keep skin moisturized for 24 hours with this lightweight, non-greasy, water-based gel formula. And the manufacturer suggested retail price is $39. Okay, so that's what the outside packaging looks like. This is what the inside packaging looks like. All right, so inside of this wonderful product, let me tell you something. One of the main ingredients in here is squalene. I love that. Okay, and it is dermatologist tested. It is vegan. Oh, it has algae in it. And it has hyaluronic acid. Not bad, okay? And it's a gel formula, okay? I do see now where a lot of companies are adding gels to their cream line and their serums as well. So that's always good to know. And of course, it is a cruelty-free product. All right, now, why am I still holding this? Because you know I'm trying to find the shelf life for you. So the shelf life on it is 6 months. So you know we can't open it now. We have to wait until we're ready to use it so that we can get the full benefit, okay? So that is item number 3. Then the next item that we have is, a Maracuja Juicy Lip Balm. Okay, and this one says, get that cushiony pout you've always dreamt of with this all-in-one vegan balm, gloss, and color treatment. Wow. It features 10 plus antioxidant-rich fruits to smooth and nourish and cushion comfort complex to instantly plump and smooth the appearance of pesky lip lines, okay? Then it says this mirror shine formula is always comfortable, never sticky, and smells like coconut. The manufacturer suggested retail price is $21. Okay, now let's see. What is it going to tell us about this one? The shade that I received is actually called Rose. All right, and this is what that shade is. All right, then, oh, this is an interesting looking package. All right, this is what the inside packaging looks like. Now, this is what I was saying made it interesting to look at. Let me see what the shelf life is before I open it. It has a 12-month shelf life. Now, lip balms don't usually stay around very long in my house, okay? I love them, love them. All right, but this one is a 0.095 ounce size. And of course, it's Tarte, so you know, cruelty free. When I do wear it, I will let you know that this is that particular product. Okay, so let's keep going. The next item that we have is the Double Take Awake Micro Liquid Liner and Brightener. It is infused with mineral pigments and clay for all day wear. The rich black liquid liner and creamy matte universal neutral gel liner in this 2-in-1 product combined to create bigger, brighter, more defined eyes. The micro felt tip liquid liner hugs the curves of the lash line, applying pigment smoothly without skipping, while the creamy gel eyeliner instantly brightens eyes to fake a full night's sleep. Okay, so it says it is ophthalmologist tested, all day long wear, it's waterproof. And as you heard earlier, it is in the shade black, okay? And it has a brightener on it, you know, with the arch of your brow, okay? And I like that it is liquid and gel. All right, of course it's cruelty free and it's vegan. Double Take Away. Now, you know I can't open it. Why? This is just like mascara and it only has a 6-month shelf life. Okay, so you'll eventually see it. You'll know when I wear it because I will let you know that this is a Tarte day. Okay, so that is the next item. Then it's a premium box, y'all. There's another item inside. Okay. Alrighty. Now, this one is the Sunrise Amazonian Clay eyeshadow palette. Okay. This is a BoxyCharm exclusive. So give me 1 second. I'll take it out and then we can talk about it. Oh, the packaging is cute. All right, and this is what the inside packaging looks like. And it says, create looks that go from sunrise to sunset with this versatile 9-pan palette of warm, matte, and shimmer finishes infused with Amazonian clay. These shades mix and match to complement your makeup mood, and the manufacturer suggested retail price is $30. Now, as I stated, this is a Boxy exclusive. It does have a full-size mirror inside, and I am loving this neutrals palette. It has a 12-month shelf life, and here are the shades. How's that? Okay, shall we swatch a couple? Love the names: Adore, Sassy, Element, Brilliant, Enchanting, Icon, Vivid, Delight, and Charming. So let's be enchanted with a vivid delight. Okay, nice. All right. That's what these 3 shades look like. Okay. Wow. If you're going to be shimmery, let's come for it. These shades are showing up to do some work. Okay. Here we go. What do you think? All right. So let's just talk about this for a second. I am excited, as I told you previously. Why? Because when Boxy Premium was introduced, that's one of the things that they talked about would be in the box, and that would be some collabs with other brands, you know, and it's been a very long time since we've had an exclusive brand box, okay, since this came about. All right, but I'm loving all of the items that came in our Tarte box. Now, of all the things that are here, I've only received this item previously, and that's been years since I received that one. Okay, but everything else, I like the fact that we have a nice mixture. Okay, our eyes are going to be popping, that's for sure, because we have our palette, our liner, and our mascara, okay? So we're ready. We are ready to do the Tarte thing, all right? So what are your thoughts? Did you receive this box this month? Let me know down below. And if you did you like it? Did you say, or were you as excited as me to see things going back to why they came out in the first place and why we signed up? All right. So I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unboxed our BoxyCharm Premium Box. Okay. And these are the contents of this box. And down below is the total manufacturer suggested retail price for everything that was included. Okay. Now, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.